Welcome to this quick guide on setting up a campaign schedule in AdMaster. We're going to show you how easy it is once your AdMaster account is set up and linked to your Playout software. And there's more, we'll show you that you can set up a campaign in under 2 minutes. Nothing in this video will be sped up, you'll be watching the process in real time. Before we start, remember that in another video, we'll go into more detail, explaining the whole process of setting up a campaign in AdMaster. There's also a video that demonstrates creating the account from the very start, so you may want to check that one too. For this quick example, let's say we have 3 ads for McDonald's to play during different parts of the day. McDonald's wants each ad to play 3 times a day, for a month. Here's the stopwatch. Let's go. I am logging to my AdMaster Cloud account with my credentials. To create a new campaign, I start with clicking the Add New Order button. The campaign number is generated automatically, and I am giving this campaign a unique name. I am selecting McDonald's from the customer's drop-down menu. I am now uploading all 3 spots that I received from the customer. To make sure that the spots are separated from the others recorded by the same voice artist, I am selecting the performers. My Playout software does not need the cart ID numbers, so I'll leave this blank. I'm okay if the spots will also be used to top up the shorter breaks. Moving on to the next step. The campaign needs to start as soon as possible and to run for 30 days. Moving on further, to select the hours and the number of plays. I'm selecting the first spot. Setting the hour range. And the number of plays in this day part. No advanced spot positioning is required. I'm saving the campaign segment. I'm now duplicating this segment to schedule the second spot. It's for the evening hours, so I'm moving the sliders accordingly. The number of plays in this segment remains the same. Let's make another duplicate copy to schedule the third spot. This one is for the morning hours, so the hours are set to the morning range. Here we are, 3 campaign segments, with 1 spot and 3 plays per segment. I'm saving the draft as a campaign, and that's it. Here's the campaign in the overview, and the updated traffic log has already been created in the background and sent to the broadcast PC. Check the stopwatch. If your Playout software supports the unattended traffic log import, this campaign has already started, and the first spot can be played as of the first upcoming commercial break. Do not forget that you could have scheduled the campaign from anywhere, from your office, from your home, or on the go. To get familiar with all campaign scheduling possibilities, follow the link on the screen to watch the video. To find out more about AdMaster, please visit admaster.info. To create the free account, go straight to admaster.cloud. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your broadcasts.